Hi friends, we'll solve problem on kinetics of particles 3. See what is given in problem. If a ball is thrown vertically downwards with a velocity of 10 meters per second from a height of 3 meter, find the maximum height it can reach after hitting the floor if E equal to 0.7. This problem is similar to that of previous problem. See what is given. Say this one is a ground. A ball is thrown vertically downwards with a velocity of 10 meter per second from a height of 3 meter. Find the maximum height it can reach, right? If we'll take this one is a body which one is thrown with initial velocity of 10 meters per second downward, then it strikes with velocity v1, and this height is what? h1 equal to 3 meters. Now ball rebounds on same line. I'll represent slightly on right side. This one is v1 dash. As velocity of ball decreases as it moves in upward direction, where finally velocity of ball becomes 0, this height is what? h2, which is unknown. Again, what we'll get here? v1 is equal to what? v1 is nothing but it is thrown initially, therefore square root of u square plus 2g h1. First relation, v1 dash in terms of h2 is root of 2g h2. Relation between v1 dash and v dash, v1 dash and v1 is minus e v1. v1 dash is root of 2g h2 minus e v1 downward, will substitute with minus sign. This one is u square plus 2g h1. That means if we take square, first one minus minus become plus, 2g h2 equal to e square root, we'll take square to root gone, u square plus 2g h1. What is known? h1 is known, h2 is unknown. That means 2 into 9.81 into h2 you have to find out. E is given as 0.7 to 0.7 square. U is a 10 square plus 2 into 9.81 into h1 is what? 3. Unknown term is what? h2, and if we calculate using calculator, this answer h2 comes out to be 3.967 meter. 3.967 meters. This is our final answer. This type of problems are easy. Only you must know relation between this v1 dash and v1. v1 downward will substitute with minus sign, and v1 dash upward automatically will get with positive sign. Thank you.